Hello everyone, Greg again with Planet Green Zen. Thank you for coming to this channel. What I do here is I love to just inspire the world to wake up, unplug from the matrix, stop living that mundane life in 5 main areas, which are mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. So if you're one of those people, go ahead and unplug from the matrix and enjoy abundance and freedom. So again, if you guys like my messages, because I truly believe that if we all have a balance of those areas, we can live more happy, healthy, wealthy, eradicate and eliminate disease, hunger, poverty, all that stuff, and just enjoy the world as one human unit. There's plenty of space for all of us to live wherever we want together and to enjoy each other's foods and company and culture, traditions. Again, that's awesome. So today's video is on finding inspiration, because again, you can educate yourself on so many different topics, but if you're not inspired, you may not do anything about it. You may just have analysis paralysis, or just read something and not think about it anymore. So you want to actually have some type of inspiration, burning desire to be able to accomplish greatness and to keep moving forward even when times are hard, and when you just feel like you can't do it, or you're tired, you don't want to, you want to give up, people are making fun of you, trying to distract you away from your true goal and passion. When you have great inspiration, that just keeps you going. It's like kind of hiking up a mountain that's, you're getting so tired, but then you just find that inspiration to just make it to the top, and boom, now you're at the top and you can see the beauty of it. So there's a saying that so goes, I think it's, I forget the exact saying, but it's easier to go downhill, but the view is much better up top. Something like that. I'll have to find the exact quote. If you guys want to let me know, I'll research it and find it for you. But again, it's easier to go downhill, but the view is much better up top. So imagine that. That's awesome. So again, when you work hard, you actually will get rewards in life, and you'll be happier, better scenery, better, with your living situation, with your bank account, with your clothing. Again, all that gets better naturally. Not saying you have to go all out and spend all your money. Again, you want to be frugal and live below your means and not just be materialistic. But again, you just attract better things to your life when you do the work for it. So again, just want to be very inspired. So again, it's very simple, guys. There's tons of videos on YouTube to help inspire you. There's many different books that's for inspiration that you actually can read. I believe eventually I'll probably do some either book reviews or some books I should suggest, and I'll do some videos on those later. But yeah, keep yourself inspired every day, because we all are human, so we have emotions, and some of us are super emotional to where you may feel super happy one day, like you're on cloud 9, like going up, and then split second you're droopy, or you're like Igor. Or is it Eeyore? Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh. You guys know, hey Pooh, that guy. You don't want to be that down and miserable. So when you keep yourself inspired, you actually are reading stories, watching stories, hearing stories of people who have been where you are, or even worse, and now they're very successful because they kept going. So when they tell you their stories, it's very inspirational, because you find hope in yourself and in your life, and you're like, if they can do it, I can totally do this. So you definitely want to keep yourself inspired. Again, go around other people, ask them questions, go to maybe different workshops or events, just to speak to people that are successful, or maybe the speaker is one of those guys who's successful and they start from rags to riches, literally, and it just keep you inspired. So you want to constantly keep yourself around inspirational people, inspirational content, just so you can just keep going. Because again, when you feel down, you're not going to want to do anything, and you're going to need that spark to keep you going. Like Mel Robbins said, 3, 2, 1, blast off. That's what got her to be successful, where she did all this great stuff, she had all this money, and it kind of lost everything. She was just like feeling bad for herself and down, but then she watched this, like something with a space shuttle launch at night, and it was like 3, 2, 1, blast off, and then that was her trigger. So when she got up the next day, she said 3, 2, 1, blast off. She said she didn't let her brain sabotage her actions. You guys may want to look further into Mel Robbins and how she explains that, as far as like your brain, you have 3 seconds before your brain sabotages you, or 5 seconds, which is very powerful. So I want you guys to get that from her. But anyway, keep inspired, keep pushing for your goals, keep fighting for your freedom, and it will pay off. Because I would love to hear the people who maybe even watch this video or other stuff in the comments below, as far as what you do to keep yourself going, and now where are you? Are you better off? Are you not? Are you successful? We'd just love to hear from you guys. So again, thank you guys for listening today. Again, if you like this information, please comment below. Let me know. Please share, please like, please subscribe to the channel. And also, I do have some resources in the description below. One is for manifesting what you want, and one is for having the right mindset so you can manifest what you want. Click on those, watch the videos, and I'll talk to you guys soon.